So we're at 65 right now on the highway. Sitting at about, let's see, there's 65. We're at about 1,800 RPMs. This truck has 35-inch tires on it, and we're at a 430 gear ratio. It's a 2008 Dodge Ram 3500 dually. Perfect. 35s to 37s, 430 gear ratio is money. Working great. The speedo's about 3 to 4 miles an hour off at most. We upgraded it to our Nitro 430 gear package. This truck is sitting on a 35-inch tire. Now most people think that you need 37s to run a 430 ratio. That is incorrect. Most of the time these trucks with 35s to 37s will be perfect. I mean, we're sitting at 1650, 1700 RPM right now at about 63 miles an hour. Great ratio for these Cummins. And lots of low end power. That's what everyone wants. It's perfect. This customer in particular does a lot of towing, and so he was dealing with a pretty big power loss every time that he would hook his camper up to this rig without being regeared. With his 35-inch tires and 373 ratio gears, every time that he hooked his camper up, the transmission was hating it. He was sluggish off the line. It would take it forever to get up to speed. Now this customer is going to be very happy. He's going to hook the camper up to the tow rig, and he's going to be a whole lot happier with his power band.